Welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure. So some of you will remember a couple weeks ago, actually probably a month or better, we got up, we were running 169 up through Kansas and the road was closed. And one young guy, farmer, told us to run across this road to County Road 700, make a left, and then go up a bit on the hard road, I think 62 or 52, make a left, and then it'll take us back over to the road.
2 miles, turn left on.
That's where we are. So we're off-road again. If I could tell you the amount of dust flying behind me. Actually, let's do it this way. It's too bumpy up there. Look in the mirror. I'm only doing about 35 miles an hour. And are we leaving a dust storm? It's adventures like this you kind of live for. I've been out here a long time, it just kind of gets stale and old. Every now and then you get something like this. I forgot about this until I got up to where the road's closed. There are no signs back there warning you ahead of time about this. Nothing at all that says the road's closed ahead. Nothing that I saw anywhere. This is the third time we use this now. The time that kid said something. The last time we came down, coming the other way. And now this time. I don't remember any of this being hard road. But it must have been, I guess. I don't remember any of it. It was covered by road salt and stuff because it was, I think, winter. Yeah, it was spring. I don't know. Yeah, it's a big time saver because I looked at roads the last time, how you go around this, and it's way out around. It's not worth taking this route if you have to take the bypass that they want you to. This only adds about 5 minutes. I'm going to say 5 minutes to the overall run. Whew, that poor guy. Most of the dust is blowing his way. I think he was surprised. I put this back in the holder so I can do my thing up here.
900 feet, turn left on, US 59.
Oh, so it's 59. I couldn't remember what the route was. Wow. I might not be able to see to pull out for a minute.